This is Shyam Prasad, Chief Manager in Union Bank of India, Hyderabad Regional Office. So today we attended this loan mela in MSME loan mela conducted by National Institute MSME. So it's a great opportunity and it's a good platform to connect the bankers with MSME customers. So Union Bank, after amalgamation of Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank, became the fifth largest bank in terms of balance sheet size and fourth largest bank in terms of the network of branches. And it is the second largest bank in terms of MSME loan book. Now, as a part of PSB Bank, we are offering plethora of MSME products, more than 20 to 25 products of MSME we are offering to our clients. So in that, the prominent products are like Mudra loans. In Mudra loans, we offer up to 10 lakh. So those newly self-employed people who required loan up to 10 lakh, we are financing under Mudra. Under Mudra loan, so there is no security is required. The margin is 20% up to 10 lakh loans, and the rate of interest is a very economical rate of interest. It starts with around 7.65 minimum rate of interest. So the maximum term loan that we offer with repayment of 84 months. So this is the loans up to 10 lakh. 10 lakh comes under Mudra. About 10 lakh to 2 crores we are giving under the product name Union Progress. And this also, again, the security is not required. The loan will covered under CGTMSE. The maximum tenure for term loan here, it's a composite loan. We give both term loan and working capital limits. So maximum of 2 crores and entire 2 crores will be covered under CGTMSE. So we don't insist for collateral security. If at all the customer is not able to offer any collateral, so we can cover these loans under CGTMSE. And the maximum tenure for the loan is 7 years for term loans. And the rate of interest, again, it ranges from 8.5 to 10%. It's based upon the rating of the clients. So here we cover only micro and small enterprises. And those clients who are ready to offer collateral security, for them we're having another product called Union Suvidha. Under this, the customer has to offer 75% of the loan amount as collateral security. So since they're offering collateral security, the benefit to them is that we give at a lower rate of interest rate. So this is the unique product that we are offering to MSME clients. Here we offer loan up to 50 crores under MSME Suvidha. So 75% is the collateral required. And the other product that one of the other good product that we offer to women entrepreneurs, it is another one entrepreneurs. It is Union Nari Shakti. So here it's only for women entrepreneurs. So to support women entrepreneurs, this product is giving loans up to 2 crores. Again, if this activity covers under CGTMSE, we cover the loan under CGTMSE. If at all it is not covered under CGTMSE, we insist only just 25% collateral security. Here again, the term loan repayment is 84 months, and the concessional rate of interest is available since it is supporting women entrepreneurs. And those other product that we are having is Union Parivahan. Here, so we support transport operators. We give loan up to 5 crores to transport operators to purchase commercial vehicles. Both light commercial vehicles and heavy commercial vehicles they can purchase. And maximum loan that we can offer is 5 crores. Again, up to 2 crores we can cover under CGTMSE. And those loans above or and above 2 to 5 crores, the minimum collateral requirement is 25%. The repayment period is 60 EMIs with a moratorium of 3 months.